So hey guys, I am Atharva the Cuber bit bit. Okay, so I am Atharva the Cuber, but I am with another account, and so I have made a new channel. And please subscribe to my new channel, which is called More Atharva the Cuber. Maybe I'll change the name in future, depends. And my other channel, which will be provided in the description, so go ahead and subscribe to that one too. Go now. Okay, so you gotta subscribe that. Now we're gonna be making a game on Scratch. So if you don't have Scratch, just go to your browser by like this. I'm gonna open my browser. Close this screen and I'm gonna be opening this one. Now what I'm going to do is type in scratch .mit.edu and I am going to hit enter. After this I am going to click on create, which will help me create a new project and I'll be good to go. First I am going to delete. I'm going to click this icon which will delete our cat. We are going to go to here first. Look where I was. Go to here and then go to this paint. Now we're going to be painting a ball which we are going to be using as the main character, and the characters are called sprites in programming languages, any programming language. So now click on this fill tool and just fill the color you want. I want this type of color. It's a very nice color and I'm going to draw a circle by that circle tool. Now to grow the size, here is the size and then just how much you want, type in the value 200. This is nice. Now let's click on this code. Let's do the coding for it. We'll say go to let's say events, click on when flag. Now let's go to this control and bring this forever, means the infinite loop, and join it with the top one which is called the when green flag, which means it runs the program or executes the program. Now we'll go to this variables tab and let's to stop this program just click on this red tool. Now go to this variables tab and now right click. You must have heard the term right click and click on delete my variable. Click on make a variable and type in score and hit enter, and then you're gonna type of take this out, bring this set score, join it in with this one and join this one like this. And I mistakenly added this one, so just to delete this, just throw it here. Bye bye. Shoop shoop. Now go to this events, click on events, go to this when the sprite, which will be the third option, drag it somewhere, then click on variables, say change score. Here's a change one, drag it with this one, then here go to this icon called sounds, delete this sound, go to here which will be choose a sound and let's search for some sounds. Okay, that's noise effects. So I like this zoop sound. You can use this one or any you want. So go to all and or animals, effects, loops, depends what you want. Here's a boot wrap, here's wobble, toy stuff. So I like the zoop one and it's very fast too. So we'll go to code again, click on this code tab and we'll say here go to sound, here's the sound icon and click on start sound zoop. So when you click on it, it will say, it will make that sound and it will grow our score here and it's growing. Now when you click the green flag, this is how our program executes. So when you run this, it will be 0. So it's 6. If you click on it, it will be 0. Now it's not too interesting, so we want our player to move so that it would be a bit harder. So now we have to finally drag in this, the forever, which is in the control, and then drag it and join it with these two. Go to motion, then go to glide 1 seconds to X and Y. Now this is random position and this is X and Y. You can see here X is written, Y is written. This is random position. So you're gonna drag in the X and Y one where there is written some numbers here, 1 and 2, and here it will tell how many seconds to wait. You can type in any second like 2, 1. I love 1. So now we need to drag this block inside that forever. So now one thing is, if you drag it somewhere, it will again go to there only. So now after we have done this, we'll go to this tab called operators. Click on this. This might be a bit complicated for some people because there is a lot of maths. You might be gone bored what we are gonna learn, but this block will help you. So drag this block, then here where 1 is written, type in minus and then type in a 240. The other number is gonna be 240. The previous one was minus, this one is the positive, this one is 240, like this. Now drag it in X. Now look, this is moving at a different position here, but we want it to move also like this and also in this and this. So go to pick random again, bring it and say minus and then type in 180. Here type in the other one, 180. Now what are you gonna do? Drag it inside this 28, and here is the game. It's like this. Look. And to enjoy this game, what you're gonna do is just go click on this thing, which will make it even bigger to play. So I want score is 16 and like that. So let's end this video and let's call this first. We'll just say this game on Scratch. So subscribe to my channel, this which is currently going, and the other channel Atharva the Cuber, which is my main channel. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Peace. It's Atharva the Cuber. Yeah, it's Atharva the Cuber. Okay. Bye. Bye.